Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Uh, this is Frank here. Welcome to my channel. So, I'm actually going to do a really quick unboxing for you all, really quick. So, you all can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can tilt my camera up a little bit. So, we at the University of Oregon here in Eugene, Oregon. Right now, I'm sitting next to the duck, the official duck um, of the university, the mascot. So you all can see here, right here, got a nice unboxing for you all. This is just my outdoor series. All right, check this out. So you're not gonna get these from the duck store, okay? Not gonna get these from the duck store. But really cool. So this is actually an unboxing of a really cool product. Really cool product in this box right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing really quick for you all. So I'm pretty happy about it. You get what I'm saying? So go ahead and get out my knife right here. Alright, so get out my knife right here. Go ahead and set the bag down because it's keep trying to fly away. Let's get into it. Alright, so go ahead, unbox this. Really excited, man. Pretty sure a lot of you all are going to be pretty excited about this particular product too, really quick. Go ahead and put my knife away. All right, so let's get into it. So, doing some unboxing. I gotta finish opening actually the box. This is actually pretty cool, man. I think you all are gonna go pretty bonkers and things for this particular product. I know I am. So, I think it's open for right now. Hopefully you all can see me. The sun was going down, but you know, oh well. So, what I got here, finally, in a size 12. Here we go, baby. Nike, Oregon. That away right there. Pretty cool. Nothing else in the box. See what I have right here. Nike, Oregon. Let's go, baby. Here we go. Blazers. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we go, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna freeze frame this video so you all can actually see. Here we go. We're gonna put that smile for that thumbnail. All right, let's get into it. So we're gonna do as much as we can right now with this. So if you all can see right here, I actually got the Nike right here. You all can see right here. It says Oregon Ducks right here. Box is pretty dope. Box is green and black. You all can see right here. Got the green on the side here. The back of it, Nike. My size 12. You get what I'm saying? So, and right here it said limited. They only made a couple. They only made about like 1,000 actually of these. Maybe about like 1,000, 1,100. So let's get into it. So let's see how they look. Now, before I show you all the shoe, here you go. When you open up the box, it actually has the Oregon Duck right there, along with the background, kind of like whatever you call this design. You know what I mean? I'm going to go ahead and get a frame right here. Thumbnail, here we go. And let's get into it. So, you all can see right here. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's get that thumbnail really quick here. Hold on. Let's go ahead and get this. Here we go. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and tilt the camera down a little bit so you all can see from this point of view. Here we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and raise it. Don't mean to be moving you all so crazy. Go ahead and raise it right here. But you all can see I'm sitting next to the duck. University of Oregon in the background, and we have the official Nike Oregon basketball team blazer. This edition right here was pretty hard to get, and I ain't gonna lie to you all. They have a light blue pair, that's the women's basketball team, and then you have the all black ones, that's the men's football team. But then you have this one right here. This one's a little bit hard to find. And again, this is the men's basketball Nike blazers. You all can see Nike sign goes all the way from the bottom all the way around the top. You have the Nike swoosh right here, along with the duck. You all can see. You have like the green right here, just like the university in the background. And you got the duck. You got Mr. Duck right here. I believe his name is Puddles, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on it. We just moved here, and I'm a big sneaker fan, so you know. Puddles is right here. That's what we're gonna call him. And then we got the duck right next door to me, right here. And yeah, man, you got the duck right here, and in the back you got the University of Oregon symbol, just like in the back there. Really excited. Now, as you all can see, this really cool edition. This was number 1. Actually, this is number 1. Now that's not 1,000. This is actually 0001 of this one right here. You see right here, you got the ducks right here, along with the Nike sign. Pretty. Now they made 1,145 of these, and I have number 1. How did I get number 1? I reached out to some connections. Connections followed through. They had my size. Not a lot of guys actually wear size 12. I wear size 12, and I'm pretty happy about this. So, when you look on the inside right here, has Nike right there, and you have what you see is the green and white shoestrings. Official, and then a tongue. The tongue is so nasty. That's what we said, how I said in Chicago. Old school slang, we say, listen, they so nasty. They so nasty. Now, as you can see right here, the tongue is plush. Tongue is plush, but that joint is green. Just God, dog. Just some people say this is yellow. I say it's like a yellow green, but man, you can't beat this. Look at this, man. Top tier shoe, bottom, never worn. Come on, kidding me? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Looks like they were maybe tried on at the very most, but size 12, you can't beat that. And then you had a duck symbol kind of going out like this. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and freeze frame for that wall. And I'm going to go ahead and tilt my camera a little bit. There we go. So you all can see this right here. I'm going to go ahead and get a thumbnail really quick, because I'm pretty happy about this. And then go ahead and shift it. Then we're going to do it again. And then we're going to just put it right here. And man, I cannot stop smiling actually about this sneaker. If you ask me, I think this is pretty dope. I cannot wait to wear the sneaker when I'm just walking around Oregon, and when I'm going to a lot of the sports games that's going to start here a lot in the fall. That's going to become both the basketball team, all the football team. Listen, the gear that I have coming up actually for this channel, being in this wonderful state that's been very good to me so far, and cool people that I have met, this is pretty cool. But as you can see, I like how the duck symbol, like you can see that. It's no mistake in that. And then you have like the hands that are like out. This shoe came out in like 2022. We moved here May 25th of 2024, and it was kind of hard to get, honestly. I went to a shop that actually had the light blue pair. No. They had the black pair actually in the men's football team. They had that one there, but they wasn't in my size. And I was like, all right, those are cool. The light blue ones that look dope, but I was like, I gotta have that green. That green, Lord have mercy, man. Look at that green. You know what I'm saying? And just walking down the street with a smile like this, you know what I'm saying? Just wearing these, it's gonna pull attention. It's just what it is. But really happy about seeing these. You all can see right here, it has like the white along like the soles and things like that. White soles on the bottom. Suede right here, you know what I mean, along like the lining of the shoe. You all can like see that. But man, you cannot miss the back of that logo, man. You can't miss the back of that logo. It's just what it is. And you can't miss that duck, baby. You can't miss that duck. And man, just proud to be like a resident of Oregon, man, honestly. And to have this one, like the first one, I would say, like shoe number 1 out of 1,145. That's pretty cool. I find that pretty dope. And pretty much, man, it's nothing else to it. Yeah, pretty much nothing else. Says right here, it's already certified. from goat. You all can see right here. Um, already they did like a little checklist right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the in the frame right there. You all can see that. Top it says goat verified. Go ahead and um, yeah, man. Literally cannot wait to actually wear these. These are pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. These are pretty dope. Um, yeah, really, really cool shoe. That's pretty much all I got for you all. Pretty much, I'm just kind of rambling. Some of you all may think like, oh, just like a regular shoe, that's fine. But if I'm traveling to city, if I'm going to a different city, or I just happen to know someone in the city, and they have like a sneaker associated with that city that's only by that city or a university or a particular thing in that city or state or country, I want it. I want to add it to my collection. You know, when I'm dressing up and I'm dressing in my geezer style, where I got like a tank top on, I got a blazer on, I got some slacks on, and things like that. I want to have some really flat sneakers on. You know what I mean? That's just the way I like to do it. I rarely wear jeans and things. I haven't worn jeans in years, actually. There's nothing wrong with that, but I'm mostly in athletic gear. But to have like a freaking super cool, fresh pair of sneaks on you, I'm just saying. Let's see that, baby. Here we go. Let's get that thumbnail again. God, there's a lot of thumbnails I want to be able to choose from, if you know what I mean. And we just gonna do that smile, cause we there you go. Like you can't cheat that, baby. You can't cheat that. So again, I'm sitting next to the duck in the background. University of Oregon. Oh, University of Oregon on the back, and then you got the duck right here, baby. These are the one. These are the one. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. So that's all I got for you all. Like, subscribe, share, comment below at the bottom if you got this shoe. If you got this shoe, I'm gonna hate you a little bit. I'm gonna hate you a little bit if you got this shoe and you're not wearing it. Cause when I buy cool sneakers and things, I'm not getting them just to store, just on the shelf so they can look pretty. No, I'm gonna wear them joints. I'm gonna wear them joints down to the ground, and then God willing, we gonna get another pair in a completely different theme. But lightweight shoe, man, super lightweight shoe. This is actually the first blazer that I actually got that's correct in my size. Lord have mercy. That's all I got for you all. Like, subscribe, share, comment below if you got this shoe, or if you just love going or visiting different states and getting like an official state shoe from that particular area or theme that that city, state, or country or places like associated with. Comment below. Let me know how you all feel. Would you wear these? Would you wear them? I wear them, but would you wear them? You know what I mean? That's all I got. Plus, he gave me a pretty great price for these things. Practically didn't even want them. I mean, come on. Kidding me right now? It's amazing. Like, subscribe, share. That's all I got for you all. Listen, 2024, 2025, we all going up, up, up to greatness. That's all I got for you all. Peace, blessings, and everything. Peace and love, happiness, love. God, thank God. Every single second being alive is the greatest. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got for you all. I'm out.